welcome to the worldwide official launch of the Novitec Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. Or as we say, the Novitecnica.
Dead to me, RIP buried. 무리들이 몰려온다 사죄해라 미리. Dead to me, RIP buried. 무릎 꿇고 고개 숙여 반성해라 피리. 왜 이래요? 잘못 오셨네요. 상관없는 자에게는 묻지 마세요. 손 깨끗이 씻고 and I live to tell the tale. 못이 박히게 얘기했지만 coffin and a nail. Bury so deep in your excrete. 누굴 탓해? 다 네가 한 짓. I've been mute, I've been discreet. 알만한 사람 다 알아 나 in these streets.
Certain kind of poetry, is it? So listen. At a time like this, in the world where everything is going more and more green, the manner in which it's happening, that everybody's picking a side. It's like you're loving one neighbor and hating another. Ooh, here it's about loving the world. Of course, my back is saddled with this 5.2 litre naturally aspirated work of art. Oh, listen to that. I'm fitted with our exhaust system. That complements this so well. Since 2014, Lamborghini has been giving us the Huracan. As of 2020, predominantly, they've been giving us rear-wheel drive. We had the Evo RWD, then we had the magnificent STO, and then we have this. Oh, it's a bit quick. Sorry. Oh, it's really all about the noise. The courage. 640 horsepower, yours at 8,000 RPMs. And it can go more north than that. Be that known. We've got all the torques. 565 Newton meters. That is yours from 6,500. Something tells me they never were in the business of playing in the rev slow down. Oh, this motor is a joy. You think you should be shifting up, but there's no turbo that's going to boost you out of the low revs. You got to actually keep it high and happy. Right now, I'm prone to want to shift, and I'll do it merely for the neighbors.
1, 2, here comes the 5, 6. This ass spit flow like the draw falls out sits.
I told you it was going to be about the noise. out of the road to really exert that. So what have we got, considering that this is a Novitec version? First of all, black on black. What do you expect from Novitec? It robs us a little bit of recognizing these sort of typical triangular shapes from the Cyan, what I'd like to call the cheetah teardrop. If you look at cheetahs, underneath their eyes, they've got these black lines, and that's to fend off the rays of the light. The fastest land-running animal, that way they don't get glare in their eyes and run into a bush or a rock, which you can very well do with this car if you can't drive properly. Lamborghini have changed the nose of the Tecnica. You've got a redesigned front bumper, some huge air intakes there feeding air to the radiators. The bonnet over here, similar to these flares over there, have sort of slight indentations or protrusions, whichever way you'd like to see it. Just makes it look a little bit more sporty. This hood, for example, is carbon fiber. It's not got a cafango like your STO. This is a solid nose. There is a boot space underneath there. If you wanted to take our Novitec carbon fiber hood and place it on there, that does have a slightly different design, you could do that. It will fit. Of course, these stunning NL4 wheels, 20-inch in the front, 21-inch in the rear, with a really nice red braking calipers. If you want to see different variations of that NL4 rim, then you can go and have a look on our website, novitecgroup.com. Now, of course, this car rides a little bit lower. You can see that on our sport springs. And it also has a really lovely side skirt. This side skirt really makes the car, gives it so much more aggression because of the enlarged gaping air vent here at the back. I mean, this is roughly the size you can stuff a cat in there and probably will fit. They've reshaped the Tecnica ever so slightly when you get towards the rear, this shoulder area over there, especially this vent over here, which is where more of the cat's going to go in, or some birds, just to give some cool air to the engine. A lot of what changes on this car happens at the back, and for that I think we need to turn the car around. Are you more of an SVJ person? Would you want to have the people looking at you even if you're cruising around at 2000 RPMs? Or are you one of those that say, I want to be specific and nimble, precise and agile? If that isn't quick, then I don't know what is. That's where a lot of things have changed. This gorgeous engine cover. Accolades to Lamborghini, because that looks so sick compared to the previous one. Personally, absolutely love it. Tell me what you guys think about that. And also they've saved quite a bit of weight. I think around about 10 kilos as opposed to the RWD. Then this wing over here, this gives 35% more downforce than what you'd get from the RWD. Yet this wing is smaller than you get on the STO, which is also why the STO is 15 km an hour slower at top speed than this car, because it has more drag. The performance and the acceleration, it's the whole affair. It's not the one bit of the evening that was good. It's the fact that you had a ball of a time the entire time.
Officers are on the scene.
But just take it into auto mode, into Strada. You can cruise nice and relaxed. Try and drive an SVJ in auto. Now, first of all, we need to flick this into manual, because otherwise it makes no sense. Just try it. See how long you can last without bursting into tears or laughter. Then Lamborghini's also redesigned the rear bumper. Man, it is really quite something. That cat and the bird that got eaten up front, you can just drag them out here. big outlets for that hot air that builds up in the engine. And of course, the diffuser, really sexy piece of work. How do you guys like the hexagonal exhaust tips? Bye, Philip. Probably one of the world's best automotive photographers, Philip Ruprecht. Go check out his Instagram account. He does our pictures as well. Those little tips, it's not where the business is. The business is what happens behind it. Because if I put my hand in there towards the rear, I get to sense the magic, because that's where the Novitec exhaust system for this Huracan Tecnica is placed. The owner, in this case, didn't bother with any flaps. When you've got a 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V10 that revs north of 8,000 RPMs, who cares about flaps and being quiet? This car was meant to make noise, which is why we gear down and enjoy the revs. It is a celebration in the area of noise. And Lamborghini just said, well, to hell with being quiet. In a world where everything is sedated and things just seem to be, well, so lame in the area of sound, Lamborghini have celebrated that with the Tecnica. And we've just gone and accentuated that element. Love the fact that this is a mid-engine, small, nimble and agile race car. It wants you to give it absolute stick. Really love this Tecnica. The position of the driver, perfect little spot right here in the center of the car. The nose not very long, so you can place the car properly. As a matter of fact, the windshield, you have full view of the track. I love this thing. 0 to 100, 3.2 seconds. That's 0.2 of a second slower than you get in the STO. But that's if you're maxing the car. I beg you, where you can actually max it in second gear, except for the Autobahn. That sounds perverse. What is this? I don't think I've ever had this much fun at a Lamborghini. Oh, listen to that. Sunny bits are sticky. The non-sunny bits might be frozen. Okay, we're gonna behave. It just tickles the 10-year-old inside of me. This Tecnica is doing it for me. Thank you for joining us. It has been splendid. And probably, yeah, one of the most exciting cars so far in 2023 for us on the channel, for me on the channel. Oh gosh. Oh, behave. So I just can't get over this bloody car. Just can't get over this. Why should I? Joch. Lekker Zeit. Where can I get one of these? How many videos do I have to make to actually get one of these? Until 2050. Sure. If you guys haven't yet, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can hit that little reminder icon on the right hand side, that little bell, and you're going to be reminded every time that we upload a new video. If you want to follow us on Instagram, that's me personally at Bjorn the Cook, or Novitec at Novitec Group. If you want to see some variations of the parts that we have on this car, the rims and so on and so forth, then have a look at our website, novitecgroup.com. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, ciao.